Hello everybody, my name is Prabhu Singh and today I am going to present my ASP.NET C# project. The name of the project is Gamers Hub. So this is a platform for recording purchases of various games and their buyers. So first of all I am going to uh, talk about the functionality of this website. So this website is basically a CRUD website. So there are three entities I am using. First one is games, second is genre, and last one is buyers. So the relationship between all of them are games and genre have many to one relationship, and genre to buyers have like no relationship between them. The relationship is between games and genre and games and buyers. So as I already talked, games and genre have many to one relationship, and games to buyers have many to many relationship. So this is the first page, home page of the website. So first of all, you have to log in from the navbar button, and for login you have to first register. So both of uh, the register and login button is on the top of the navbar. So as you see, I am already logged in from this email address. So after that, I am going to add a new genre first. So if you want to add a new genre, you can just click on the button on the top of the navbar. So this is a genre list. So as you see, there are 5 genre already existed in this. And if you want to add a new genre, you can just click on the new genre button here. So this is the add a new genre page. You can just click on the genre name input box to add the genre. So I am going to add the new genre by adding a name like open world games. And now I'm now after clicking on the create genre, it will add the genre to the list of the pre-existed genre here. So as you see, the open world is now at the sixth in the list. So after that, I am going to create a new buyer. So to create a new buyer, you have to go to the buyer. You have to go to the buyer page. To go to the buyer page, you have to click on the buyers button on the top of the navbar. So after clicking on the buyer button, I am now redirected to a list of the buyers. So to create a new buyer, you have to just click on the new buyer button. To is the form to add a buyer. So I am going to add a buyer, like anyone and their email address. Now by clicking on the create buyer, the buyer is now created and is been added to the list here on the fourth. And now I'm going to uh, add a new game. So as you see, this is a game list. This game list have many game you want to add. You can add many games here. The one game is pre-existed, which is named as Uncharted. So if you want to add a new game, you can just click on the new game button. So by clicking on the new game button, you are now redirected to a new page for adding a new game. You can just add a new game by typing their information. So I'm going to type this information here, like this, and now I'm going to enter the price here. And if you want to uh, select a genre, you just have to go to the click on the drop down button here. So this is are the list which we have in the genre list page. So I am going to select open world, and I am going to choose image to upload. So by clicking on the add button, the game list changed, and one game have been added, which is GTA. If you want to delete or update any game, you have to click on their names. So like I am going to click on Uncharted. So after clicking on Uncharted, I am redirected to a new page. This is which is just to see the details of the game, and to update or delete the game, or to link the buyer. So this is the description of the game. This game ID, game name, release year, description, genre, price. This is the user entered this. So to link a buyer, you can just go to this list, this drop down menu. Click on the drop down menu, and there are like four buyers which is on in the buyers list. So I am going to select this buyer. So to link the buyer, you just have to click the link button. So as you can see, the game has been linked to this buyer. And if you also want to add any other buyer, you can just click on the uh, drop down menu and add a new buyer. So like now one more buyer has been added, and if you want to add another buyer, you can click easily, like select the buyer. So if you want to delete, uh, so if you want to see the information of the buyer, you can just click on the buyers. And if you click on the name of the buyer, you can see that this buyer have like purchased this game. And if you want to add another game to this buy list, you have to just go to the games page and select the game. And now you can just click on like the same procedure we have already done. Click on the drop down menu and link the buyer. So as you see, the buyer have been linked, and now you can go to the buyer list to check. So as you see, the buyer have purchased these two games. And if you want to see the genre of the games, you can just click on the like any game, like any genre. And like this, you can see that this game is in the open world genre list. So to delete the game, you can just, so first I am going to show the update feature. So if you want to update this game, you can just click anything, and any like open world, and update. Now as you see, the game description have been changed, like this open world, price have also been changed. And if you want to check the genres, you can just see that now there are two games in the genre list, on in the open world genre list. And if you want to delete the game, you can just click on the delete button. uh, Sorry. Yeah, so this is the pay this page is just asking you if you are sure to delete this game or not. So you can just click on the confirm delete button. Yeah, so you see the game is now deleted from the game list. And you can, yeah, you cannot even see this in the buyers, like buyer list, or the genre list, which is open world. Yeah, now the Uncharted is completely vanished from this list. So yeah, this is my project. So the feature I want to add is the game is the like image upload feature. But it's not like properly working. It's just showing the default value of the like default image of the game. But but I have like worked on it somehow, but it's not like working properly. So this is the like first the home page of the button. Thank you. Thank you for watching the my presentation.